Hey guys, welcome back. So right now I'm in Lucknow attending a friend's wedding and I'm super excited because this is the first nikah that I'm gonna attend, and I thought of doing a get ready with me video. So I thought of getting ready with the wedding range by Faces Canada, which is a one-stop for all your faces. I have my favorite sharara on and these beautiful earrings. So since it's my first time attending a nikah, I really want to get that royal, lavish Lucknowi face. So I'm going to apply this Faces Canada Ultime Pro Perfecting Primer, which is a pore minimizing primer. So this one is a primer plus moisturizer that keeps the skin hydrated and helps in smoothing the skin surface for a flawless makeup application. So this one is enhanced with vitamin E and it provides antioxidant protection, and it also gives skin a repairing effect. It also has shea butter which hydrates the skin. So the formula is also packed with micro shimmers which gives you a lit from within look. So this definitely helps in minimizing the pores and the fine lines. Next, I'm going to take this Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Foundation, and look at this. This is so cute and it is travel friendly. So this foundation is a long-lasting, lightweight foundation that leaves the skin looking smooth and flawless with a matte finish. So this foundation has sheer to medium coverage and it is buildable. And this one transforms from a lightweight, creamy mousse into a matte finish. So this foundation has a mousse-like texture and has a smooth, airbrushed effect. I really love how beautiful my skin looks right now. Now I'm going to take this Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Concealer. It has a lightweight and easy to blend mousse formula, and it's got a medium to high coverage. So this one is long lasting and it's got a crease proof formula, and it covers discoloration, blemishes and provides an even skin tone. And it's enriched with hydrating multi-action skincare benefits and light diffusion technology. Now I'm going to take this Ultime Pro HD Finishing Touch Setting Powder. What I love about this is its naturally radiant finish. I love how it's got an invisible coverage, enhances the complexion, seamlessly blends with the skin, balances the skin color and delivers a soft focus effect. And it's paraben free, D5 free, mineral oil free and nano ingredients free. Taking this Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Blush, it's got a mousse texture and it's feather light and it blends seamlessly. And when it sets in a powder format. This is infused with glycerin for healthy and hydrated skin. This product is cruelty free and it gives a very natural flushed look. I absolutely love how glowy my skin looks after I apply the blush. Now taking this Ultime Pro Way to Glow Illuminator, I'm gonna highlight the high points of my face. This one is a pigmented highlighter and you just need a drop of it for a very shimmery highlighted effect. This one is a super concentrated shimmer liquid highlighter for a natural looking and flawless glow. You can also mix this with your foundation for a very soft, glowy effect. This also protects the skin from UV hyperpigmentation and works against skin aging. And now I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to take this Ultime Pro Eyeshadow Palette. This one has got lovely, shimmery, glittery and matte textures. I love all the colors in this eyeshadow palette, and it comes with a brush for easy touch-ups. I'm going to take this shade and put it in the crease of my eyes. These eyeshadows are really pigmented and they're super blendable. This is a very nice transition shade and I absolutely love how blendable this is. I'm also going to put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this beautiful maroon shade and I'm going to put it on top of the brown shade. I'm also going to apply it on the lower lash line. Now taking this beautiful golden shade, I'm going to apply it all over my lids. Now taking the maroon shade again, I'm just going to diffuse it a little bit. Now I'm going to apply this dark brown bronzy shade and I'm going to apply it in the outer corners. Now I'm going to take this pretty pink shade and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. Next, taking this Ultime Pro Intense Gel Kajal, I'm going to line my upper lash line and lower lash line. This one comes with a sharpener. It's got an intense and long-lasting pigment. The application is creamy and it is not tested on animals. So this one also has a smudger, and now I'm going to smudge the kajal for a smoky look. So now I'm done with the eyes and I'm really happy how it turned out. Moving on to the Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte Lips and Primer. This one is a primer infused matte lip color for a flawless base and a long lasting color. The application is silky cream, it's matte, it's got high coverage, and it's not sticky, it's highly absorbing, and it lasts for a very, very long time. So guys, this is it. I am ready to go to the wedding right now. Do let me know in the comment section how you like this makeup. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.